Hello again! That's me trying to be enthusiastic. I'm very congested. Hello again, imaginary audience. My name is Gail. I am your eternally plague-ridden host, and I'm still dying, but that's okay, because it has to be. I'm talking absolute nonsense. This is going to be a quick one, I hope. There is one subscription that I have so far failed to film, and that is actually the one that I'm most maybe second most excited about after Spooky Box Club. Maybe equally most excited about. I have subscribed to the Notoriously Morbid Vanishing cabinet. It's an American subscription box, and I think they are based in West Virginia, of all places, which is interesting because there was a time when I lived in West Virginia. Little known fact. Well, depending on who you are and how you know me. So the Vanishing cabinet, because it comes from the US, they, in order to give those of us in the foreigns a bit of a break on shipping, they send the packages in just plain manila envelopes rather than in like a fancy box kind of thing, which might possibly detract from the magic slightly, but I appreciate the savings, so I'm all for it. For those of you who don't know, Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics are a kind of indie brand, and they're a little bit, I don't know, thematically up my alley. So I'm actually like really excited about this. You can't maybe tell because I feel like death, which I suppose is appropriate. Okay, so shut up, Gail, and open the thing. So, this was from like November or December, and I have another one as well. I need to get this over with so I can go, because I'm going away for the weekend to do a thing that I may have hinted at in another video, which I'm not going to say anything about now because I will be vlogging. I'll be making a video about the experience, which will hopefully come out, well, as soon after the weekend as possible. That's the plan. I'm super excited about that too, but I can't say anything more about it for now. So, moving on. Let us get this thing open. It's in like a Ziploc bag. And there's a little peppermint. Bob's Sweet Stripes soft peppermint candy. It feels hard. Is it hard because it's old and I left it for ages and didn't open it? Or is it like, maybe it's one of those like after dinner mint type things that goes all chalky and soft, which I love. I will find out in a bit. But for now, the makeup. Right, first thing is a stick kind of deal. I don't know what it, Notoriously Cosmic Gloss called Throne of Lies. Snickerdoodle flavored. So it's a clicky kind of deal. Ooh, there we go. Oops. I got a bit hasty with that. Okay, just gonna ignore my burns here. I burned myself on my straighteners because I'm an idiot. So that was a terrible swatch, but it's a kind of like a metallic brown, sort of lovely. That would actually look good over my lipstick today. I'm gonna try to. Shiny. Cool. Oh, I'm all sparkly now. And I've made a mess of the thing because I got a bit overzealous and impatient with the clicky turny, for which I'm sorry. Is it snickerdoodle flavored? Not really, but maybe I just can't taste anything because I'm all congested. I will come back to that another time, and yes. Next thing. Don't eat the yellow snow. Lemon cookie slumber salve. Or salve. Just that's not a slumber salve. That looks like a scrub. I think that's a lip scrub. It tastes like a lip scrub. I think they must have mislabeled it. Yeah, that's... I don't know if you can see. It's yellow and grainy and tastes like sugar. That's a lip scrub. Silly Notoriously Morbid. You got it wrong. We've got a lip gloss, a lip scrub. What's next? Son of a nutcracker. Christmas cheer. What are you? Oh, it's like a pigment or an eyeshadow. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh my god. I'm not going to try to show you the thing because I'll end up getting it everywhere, but what I am going to do is try my damnedest to give you a reasonable swatch, which I can't promise, frankly. Right, it's very sort of difficult to see, but it's like a shiny, sparkly sort of pale green kind of color, and it's really lovely. But it's not super bam, you know, although potentially it might be like buildable. I'll have to play with that and let you know. But that certainly appears to be some kind of eyeshadow pigmenty sort of thing, and it's pretty. Right, next thing is in a similar shaped container. Is it the same thing? This is also Son of a Nutcracker. Affinity for Elf Culture. Are these like... I mean, they're obviously all Christmas themed. Are they... Sounds familiar. But let's see what this one looks like. I'm guessing by the fact that it also says Son of a Nutcracker that it's the same kind of product. Like maybe it's also an eyeshadow or something. Or like a pigment. This is like a... Oh, really pretty. Glittery sort of sparkly kind of gold color. I'll just try to show you. You can kind of see it on my finger, but it doesn't really show up very well on camera because my camera's crap. I can assure you that they're fucking beautiful. Okay, there's only one thing left. 1, 2, 3. I guess there are 5 items in each. I don't remember if that was explicitly stated. Can't remember. I think it probably was. Anyway, this is Ninny Muggins. I'm guessing it's like a blush because it's kind of pinky. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit of that out. But it's kind of a pale sort of lavendery mauvey sort of thing. Now that shows up a bit better. Look at that. Okay. So, I think I was a little bit subdued for this one because everything is all sort of Christmas themed and it's February and almost March now. So I'm a little bit kind of over the whole Christmas thing, but it's my own fault for not doing this sooner. Oh, there's a piece of paper here, which, I've got glitter all over my skirt. I knew that would happen. I knew that would happen. Okay, let us see what this thing says. I didn't want to look at it in case, it was spoilery. So, it says November 18, VC, that's, Vanishing Cabinet, Son of a Nutcracker. Oh, so that was the theme of the whole thing, was Son of a Nutcracker. Did I miss that? No, I think it only says it on some of them, but, so, Son of a Nutcracker was the theme.
Welcome to the last Vanishing Cabinet of 2018. This holiday season we are celebrating with the movie Elf.
Ah, so they are all, elf-themed.
Our second Will Ferrell-themed VC. I wonder what the first one was, and will definitely not be our last. We took some of our favorite lines and colors and created products around them. As always, we hope you enjoy this VC and join us in 2019 for what's going to be some of our most requested themes. We hope you have a wonderful holiday season.
Okay, so we had Affinity for Elf Culture, which was this one, and it's it is an eyeshadow. It's a sweet orange shadow that leans a little more yellow with purple sparkles and a teal shift. Oh, I look forward to putting enough of it on to actually see that properly. Right, Christmas Cheer, it's the other eyeshadow, is a festive green shimmer with a rainbow of sparkles. Ninny Muggins is a deep mauve satin blush, can be used as an eyeshadow, so that's nice. Don't Eat the Yellow Snow, I was right, see? A lemon cookie flavored sugar scrub, but for some reason the label says Slumber Salve on it. Anyway, it's a lip scrub. And finally, Throne of Lies. Cool toned purple base with a copper sheen lip gloss, flavored mocha coffee. But it says on it it's snickerdoodle flavored. Mixed signals. Notoriously Morbid. Mixed signals in your Vanishing Cabinet. But anyway, it's still very exciting. I'm really happy to be getting sort of like more unusual products, I guess. So that's why I signed up for this one, because it's more kind of, I don't know, it fits my aesthetic more than a sort of normal, mainstream. I feel like such a, well, I feel like me as a teenager. You know, I do like to have things be a little bit different, obviously. So yeah, I'm happy to have these to play with now. Thank you so much for watching my first Vanishing Cabinet unbagging, I guess we'll call it, because there's no box involved. I'm really looking forward to the next one because I'm really excited about the creative, beautiful colors and things that I'm getting. And yeah, super excited. So stay tuned for the next video of me being excited about things. Or, well, I was excited internally even if I wasn't showing it very well because I am just not myself today. Shut up, Gail. See you next time. Bye-bye.